Okay guys, now I have my badge, all access of course, and I just went over the street, and then I tried to get in this hall, and it worked. So now I'm the first in line here for trying the Oculus Rift S in some minutes. So you will see my first impressions of the Oculus Rift S very soon. You know, this is German style, no? Get up early and be the first in line. Sorry, but that's right. So I really hope that that I can tell you some stuff about that. I'm really excited about 5 cameras. One is on the top. That's I've never seen that before. It's like with the Vive Cosmos, but additional camera at the top. The specs are not so crazy. I mean, it has only like LCD display and stuff, but we will see. I'm really looking forward to that. So see you later. Oh, look at these guys, the Oculus guys. And yeah, wow, I can't wait. You will see it very soon. So if you like it, that I'm at the whole planet. On the whole planet for you, then give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then we see next time in virtual reality, guys. See ya.